Ready?
Okay. We're about to. Are you recording? We're about to demonstrate the proper technique for the Tunechi Ratchet Tunechi Swaggy.
Tochi movement. Okay, so number one, Tunechi.
Like so.
Like so. It might look familiar because it's a husky,
But it's Tunechi.
but it's Tunechi.
Okay. Next is
Number two, Ratchet.
Oh wait, I didn't do that one that time. Let's
Redo.
do it again.
Number two, Ratchet.
like so, from left to right.
Ratchet. Left to right. Never right to
Ratchet.
left. Never.
Or
Left
else
to
it'd
right.
be Cherat.
It would be
No,
Ratchet.
but it's Ratchet.
Ratchet.
So, on to the next.
Yes.
Number three. Anti-Ratchet. Oh wait, it's the other way. Anti-Ratchet.
Wait, we gotta show him swag.
Okay. The next one.
Number
Five,
four.
six.
Number four.
Number four.
Swaggy. Swaggy.
Swaggy.
No, swaggy.
Swaggy.
And then super swaggy.
Wait, Swaggy with no shirt.
No shush.
It's just
that's
swaggy.
Ratchet. Okay.
And
This
then
one is Swaggy.
Swaggy. Only one circle.
One circle.
Not two.
Swaggy. Let's try that again together. 1, 2,
3.
Swaggy.
Bye, Jordan. Bye.
Number five.
Number five.
Super swaggy.
Super swaggy. Super swaggy.
Now let's
That's
let's
Recap.
Okay, girl.
Number one. Tochi.
Number 2.
Ratchet. Number 3. Anti-Ratchet.
Wait, that was backwards again.
Wrong way.
Anti-Ratchet. Number 4. Swaggy.
Wait. No shirt.
No joke.
That's Ratchet.
One more time.
Swaggy.
Number 5.
Number 5. Super swaggy. Okay.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Did we cover everything?
And
I think we
that's
did.
just what you need to know.
And that will be our.
You're done.
And that can be
That right there.
that is a
Tunechi
tutorial
movement.
from the Tunechi movement.
Tunechi movement. Remember, always be Tunechi.
Don't be Ratchet.
Oh
Never
wait,
that.
you gotta be
Anti-Ratchet.
Wrong way. Anti-Ratchet.
I'm done. I'm done.
Don't
Done.
say- don't
Done.
say.
Did that anti